I will use employees table. Right-click and select Show Table Data. I will change Tanin 5 to Tanin 555 and Tanin 4 to Tanin 444. Refresh the table. Go back to SQL Server. Refresh the database. Go to Tables and select Employees Data. You will see Tanin 444 and Tanin 555 because the data is updated to here. The method is to reduce confusion from switching between two programs, SQL Server and Visual Studio. We can pull the data to Visual Studio. This is just an example to see the updated data is linked. Next example, we can change table structure. I will change the column name. Right-click on Employees Table. Select Open Table Definition. It will take a while. Then it will show script T-SQL, or Transact SQL. I will change the name of column from phone to phone number. After making change, click Update Database. There is an error occur. Let read to see what went wrong. We have created view and the data is linked to view. Let go to view. Hit refresh. See? We have created view. We will delete it for now. Delete and refresh. Go back to Update Database. Click Update. Now it doesn't show any errors. Click Update Database. At the bottom, it shows Update completed. Go back to SQL Server to see if the column name is changed. Hit refresh. Right-click and select Design. You will see the column name as phone number. It changed from phone to phone number. This is just an example showing that you can make changes on Visual Studio. But I don't recommend. You should not change the table after being created. It might affect linked data, which errors will occur. This shows that making changes like this can lead to errors. It affected view because the column was changed. Now I will unchange it. Phone. Go to Visual Studio to see if it updated. Hit refresh. Right-click to show table data. Phone is now display here. This lecture shows how to connect database from SQL Server to display on the Server Explorer in Visual Studio. That is it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.